Alright everybody, I got a quick video to do with upcoming information and also what's going to be coming up on the channel, as well as some things I picked up. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I went to Napa and O'Reilly's. At Napa, I got two of these brake wheel cylinders for drum brakes on the rear of my 2000 Toyota 4Runner. The ones I have on the truck are leaking. I also ordered, and I'll do a video on that. I got two, one for each side. I'm going to be doing a complete front end brake job and a complete rear end brake job. I got a complete rear end drum kit, and these are just the two items that didn't come in that full kit. Comes with the drums, the brake pads, everything, springs, hardware, everything. These are the only two things I had to pick up. These were $32 at Napa for the cylinders, $170 for the drum kit. I ended up picking up Hawk brakes for the front, Hawk brake pads, which I love their brake pads. I'm going to try their performance racing street pads this time. What's on the 4Runner right now for the front caliper pads is the Hawk high performance. It's a red box. I'd have to look at the information again. I think it's high performance heavy braking or something like that. And then O'Reilly's, I picked up 6 of these .4 synthetic 32 ounce or 1 liter bottles, 1 quart bottles, my bad. I picked up 6 of them. They were $10 a piece or $9.99, so $60 for brake fluid. I'm sure it's not going to take that much, but I'm going to be completely emptying to the system and be installing all new calipers, all new rotors. I'm going to be installing some custom brake lines. That they're actually stainless steel brake lines with a red outer coating on them. I'm going to be installing drums, the pads, wheel cylinders, all hardware for the calipers, all the hardware for the drums. I'm going to be doing the brake line for the rear as well, matching in the red stainless steel cable. And then be completely emptying the system and going from .3 to .4. And then next time I do this whole front and rear pads, calipers, drums, and everything, I'm going to be upgrading it from the .4 to the .5.1 just to get more temperature rating out of them, because I do use my truck for drifting. I use it for racing, drag racing. I use it for hauling heavy trailers. I use it for 4x4ing and off-roading. I use it for a lot of heavy extreme uses. So I'm going to be, the next time I have to spend $900 or whatever it is, I think it was $930, so $820 out the door for everything to completely do the brake system with all brand new parts. Next time I do that, I'm going to be draining all this .4 out. I'm going to be going to .5.1. Just so you guys know, .3, .4, and .5.1 are compatible. They're ether based. You cannot use .5. .5 is not compatible with 3, 4, and 5.1. .5 brake fluid is actually silicone-based brake fluid, so just if you're going to watch this video, just make sure that you do not mix them. If you have a vehicle that runs .3, as long as you drain the system and do a complete flush, you can upgrade it to .4. It won't hurt the seals or anything else. You can also do the same thing if you have .3 system, you can also upgrade it to .5.1 if you do a complete flush and drain the system. If you have a .4 vehicle, you can bump it up to .5.1 as long as you drain the system. If you do mix them, the only thing it's going to do is change the boiling point. It might add, so if you add .4 to .3, it might provide a little bit more boiling point than .3's by itself. And same with .5. If you have .4 and you want to pour in .5, it may add a little bit extra boiling point to the .4. They are mixable, they are interchangeable. Just some information for you guys. But right now I'm going from .3 to .4 complete flush. Next time I do a complete rebuild and install, I will do .4 to .5.1. If you guys want to see that video, or you want to see me do the brakes on a 2000 Toyota 4Runner, please let me know, and I will do the video. I should be getting all the parts soon, next week, so I'll do a parts breakdown video, and then if you guys want to see the install and the brake job, let me know and I'll set the camera up for that video. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.